What are you doing, Stella? You running around? You having fun?
Yeah.
Do you love your daddy? Do you love your daddy, Stella? Okay. Do you love chips?
Yeah.
Okay, you love chips. Do you love your daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I wanted to hear. You're so sweet. Can I have a kiss? Mm. What do you want? You want some water?
Yeah.
You want some water? I'll give you some water. See if we can find you some water. Oopsie. Let's put this up. Cluttered fridge mean cluttered mind. Confucius say. Hold on. Whoa. Do you want that one?
Yeah.
Okay, you can have that one. Take it. Come on, Stella.
So,
No, you only need the.
You go to the doctor tomorrow and
You're okay.
see where you are.
You want 2 bottles of water?
When to,
I think you only need 1, but if you want 2, go ahead. Go see if Mommy will open it up for you. Okay, bye-bye for now.